Hello and welcome for the love of food. So today we're going to do a little experiment using milk. I wanted to see if you really could freeze milk. So I pulled this out of the freezer a day or two ago, smelling it. Smells fine, right? So what we're going to do today is we're going to figure out how is the texture and can you really freeze milk. Take a look at what happens when we put it into our KitchenAid mixer. Because when you freeze milk, what happens is it will separate the fats from the liquid. And what we want to try to do is reconstitute it so that we can use it. So let's give it a shot, shall we? So this glass, I just poured directly out of the carton. And as you can see, it didn't really separate all that much, but it's got a little bit of residue around the edges of the glass where the fat seems to be sticking. So let's see if it makes any difference when we actually put it through the mixer. So I'm gonna turn my mixer on. All right, we're gonna let that settle down and we'll pour it into a glass just like this and we'll compare the two and see how we end up. Again, I think if you were going to have a bowl of cereal, use this in coffee, freezing the milk works just fine. All right, so let's compare the two. Now let's go ahead and taste a little bit. That's the first milk. Tastes fine. This is the one we mixed up, and it actually tastes just a little bit better for drinking. And it actually is a little bit less thick looking. I wonder if it's just because we put that air through there. But either way, freezing milk works. Thanks for watching For the Love of Food.